get no job or anything. And this is
He's
what
on TV.
Bill Crosby tries to tell. And only
That was funny.
Kaya. Your wife is oh no. But if you can get these black people down on these other black people that act the way they do. You think President Obama would be the president of our country if he talked like a black man? He wouldn't.
Oh, that last speech you made.
Come out there with me, Giselle. Okay, you guys press the button.
What's wrong with you? I say you, he dead. I'm here.
Shut it, shut it. Tell him I said to do it. Kaya's an idiot. Sorry about that.
They don't talk like other
Well, no, a lot of southern people in southern England have really good.
Move! I got scared. Side move.
Sky
She yelled at Kaya. I know, I heard. Kaya, move! Say Shannon. We need to make a YouTube name for you.
Well, by
Why?
far, President
Huh?
Obama's
Why?
been like.
Because that's cool. Like mine's Abro, just me.
Like you see pictures of
Kai's is no, mine's a bro. Oh, Kai's is
Cool says that he socializes with.
I don't know.
Shanizzle?
Shanizzle signing out.
We are not going to be like Jason Jose.
I know. I'm making fun of him.
What was that, Bridget? Could you say it a little bit louder? What?
I don't know.
I forged your guys' check when I was.
What?